Postgres cannot drop database using psycopg2. So I simply trying to drop and recreate my database using Python psycopg2. Here is my code. When I run this code, I get Alright, fair enough. So I opened a connection to Postgres and took a peek at the existing process before and while my code was running. Before my code started, we get this. This command returns a single pit 6052. This process is me, so that's good. Now here is what I get when query running processes while my Python code is running. The Python code started two processes. One connects to the PostgresDB, which I did explicitly. The other connects to the DB I want to delete, CrowdSurfer. Note that it is idle and the query it ran was set default _transaction_isolation to read committed. So it seems like setting con.au_commit equal to true is creating a new process. Any thoughts on what to do here to make drop this DB?
Here is what happened. One of the imported classes had a decorator that was opening the connection. This is a standard Django decorator transaction.atomic. I actually incorrectly applied it to a class as opposed to a method. Apparently it is executed during the import process, opening a connection to the PostgresDB.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.